You all right, mate? Are you coming in today? James here doing the videos. You're not? You want me to do it then, yeah? Okay. You're going to Turkey? Why are you going to Turkey, Nick? Mate, come on, don't be silly. Don't be silly. Mate, there's nothing wrong with your hairline. That inverted Mohican looks really, really good. You know, just because somebody says you've got a 6-inch centre part, you ignore them, mate. I think they were just having fun, bit of light-heartedness. Don't take it to heart. No, don't be silly. No. You could be my reverse Mr. T. You know, you're inverted Mohican. You know, you don't wear any gold and you're skinny. You're not muscular. So you could be my reverse Mr. T. Yeah, all right, mate. Okay. I'll see you later. Bye. Oh. All right, guys. You got me this week because Nick's not in. Apparently, it's his birthday. It's birthday, yeah. So you can't call me old now because he's back to the same age as me. Happy days, happy days. Right. So what's been going on this week? Matt's working on a 504. We are doing a battery relocation from the engine bay to the boot, which has been brought up by Nick previously. So Matt's in the current process of running all the cables. The battery bracket's in the boot, that's all mounted in, so that bit's there. So yeah, he's on that one. Let's have a quick look outside, see what we've got outside. So Daimler, that has been inspected and the report is off to the customer for that one shortly. The M5, that also has been inspected, pending road test, and then that report will be getting sent off to the customer. Beetle, waiting on authority on that one. The Skyline is going today, but that will be back on Saturday because he's going to a Smith and Sniff meet of some sort. So the customer for that is picking that up. So that's that for outside. Lexus, that has had a few miles put on it. That has been over to Lexus in Leicester to program some keys. So that's had a good run, good road test, good heat cycle on that one. That is going for MOT tomorrow. And so Thursday to you guys, because this is Sunday to you, isn't it? So yeah, that should have a fresh MOT by the time you look on the video. That is that one. The Metro, as Nick did cover last week, is going to dyno, and I think that's going on Monday. We do, as Nick did state, we do still have to set the suspension up on the ride height. So I did see that a few of you commenting saying, oh, why is it so high, this, that and the other. Nick did state that we haven't finished. So yes, it will be going lower. At the moment, that is just the way it's sitting for now. So we are getting there. It's just work in progress. The Lister, Matt and I took the gearbox out of this on Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday. So we have the clutch has gone away for repaddling because the paddle's worn out. The clutch cover is badly worn, got a good lip in it. So that's getting redone, re-sorted out. Because the customer was complaining of clutch judder in second gear when he was snatching into second. So that's getting that sorted out. The gearbox is here, a BMW, a beast of a gearbox, which is not sat here. We're going to have to adjust, I don't even know where it's gone, the gear selector lever, because to get it in reverse it was an absolute nightmare, but it was only about that long. So we're going to make it 25mm longer, so then we get that little bit extra leverage to get through the gate into reverse, because of the pre-tent for reverse, it is quite strong. So that is that in progress. What else have we done on the Lister? We have done rear subframe bushes because they had collapsed. They were actually a delight to do. I did not expect to say that, but yeah, that was so easy to do. It was easier to change those than what it was the headlight bulbs, I won't lie. So we're cracking on quite well with this one, the Mark 1 Golf. So that is all finished, bar a wiper motor. We did order a wiper motor from Heritage, but the plugs are different on the motor, so I've got to get in touch with Heritage to see if there's a conversion loom or if I've got the wrong wiper motor. So that is a state of play with the Mark 1 Golf. The Alpina is back with us because he's got brake judder on it, so we've got some discs and pads to go on front of that. The Elf, Nick has been working tirelessly. Yes, Nick has been using spanners. I know, the shock. Wow. So yeah, Nick's been on the process of sorting out the wiring for the fan on this. I have the task of replacing all the fuel lines on it because we've got copper lines that come up to the bulkhead and then it goes into this fancy pipe in here. Customer doesn't want it routing this way. He wants it coming from this side. Basically, he just wants to tidy all this up. It's too busy. So we are replacing the fuel lines on that completely. So that will probably be the end of this week that I'll get on that because I've got half day today. So unfortunately, yeah, not a lot's getting done. Right, so that is the Elf 633. That has had the aircon pipes replaced on it. The aircon has been re-gassed on it. We've got to rebuild the front headlights and the grills. We also have to run it up to make sure the aircon works, and then we've also got to put the bore scope down it and check the bores because we're down on compression on 2 cylinders. So we want to have a quick look at that, also do a leak down test and see where we stand with that. That is a state of play with that one. The Cappuccino, we're still waiting for the clutch. This overnight parts from Japan. It seems to work quite well in the films, but it doesn't happen in reality. So we are still waiting for that. That should have been here last week or the week before. Still pending on that one. Mark 2 Jag, Nick's going to inspect that when he comes back. It is actually his birthday today, so everybody would like to give him a belated happy birthday. And I think that's it. I'm sure that's it. Yeah. Thank you very much, guys, for logging on and having a view. I want to apologise when people turned up for the club meet. I'm talking about the club. Apologise. Everybody turned up to see us. I had to nip off because I had to go rescue my sister out of a sodden, soft grass verge. So I didn't say hello to many people. I did have to shoot off, so I do apologise if I didn't say hello. So that is me. Thank you from me. Thank you to Jamie. And yeah, Nick will have you next week. Ta-ta for now.